bad. Will that be all then? A bit more space never hurt anyone. Perfect size for you, stranger. Don't get yourself... Self-killed now. Welcome. We're starting to get an idea of your tastes, friend. See how that feels, mate. A fella like yourself should notice the difference right away. We're starting to get an idea of your taste. Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger. Come. Back. Welcome. Next time, buy something, eh? Welcome. Room, thank you. Don't get yourself killed. Now, welcome. What can I interest you in? Dazzled, are you? Our craftsmanship demands no less. This kind of work is about finesse, stranger. Little bit goes a long way. You'll see. Dazzled, are you? Our craftsmanship demands no less. Will that be all then? See how that feels, mate. A fella like yourself, that's good. Come back anytime.